This video will demonstrate a Python example delivered with Origin, the Traveling Salesperson problem. Access this sample from the Learning Center under the Help menu. Select Analysis Samples in the left panel. In the right panel, select Python in the drop-down. A list of sample projects using Python is shown. Choose the Traveling Salesperson problem and click OK. The first time you open this project, you may need to click the Install Required Packages button to install the necessary Python packages. In the graph, first click the Pick Airports button. It will randomly pick 10 airports in the US and display them on the map. The background map is made by the Google Map Import app. Next, click the Optimize button to draw the optimized route on the graph. To see the script that is executed by clicking each button, hold the Control key and double-click on the button to launch the Text Object's Properties dialog. Change to the Programming tab. Here, one line of LabTalk script is executed when clicking the Pick Airports button. The PYP option of the LabTalk run command indicates a Python file with the name randompick.py is attached to this Origin project file and gets executed. Click the Show Code, Pick Airports to see the Python file in Origin's code builder. Let's change it to pick 20 airports. Now clicking the Pick Airports button will pick 20 airports at random. Click the Optimize button to see how the graph is updated.